time for the 2023 KitchAnnette Red Carpet Menu, when I take the Best Picture nominations of Oscar and I turn them into delicious dishes. We're up to the dessert category. For All Quiet on the Western Front, we've got no diet with this Western Bundt. It is a chocolate coffee Bundt cake with an explosion of raspberry flavor. About the third time that they've redone All Quiet on the Western Front. I believe it was based on a book originally. It's all about these kids in Germany who go off to First World War with all these high hopes and the glory of war, and when the reality sets in and how that happens, it is just a heartbreaker. No diet with this Western Bundt. All the goodness of the raspberry with the flavor of the chocolate and the coffee coming up and through, putting a whole cascade over it in delicious joy. I clearly didn't wait to eat this cake, and I'm not gonna wait to finish, so excuse me, make it. It's a fabulous cake. KitchAnnette, a little kitchen with a lot of flavor.